Hi everyone! I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for clicking on to watch this video. We're gonna be reviewing the Makeup Revolution skincare line. I did a poll on my Instagram stories. I asked you guys if I should review and do a video about these masks by Makeup Revolution, and you guys 100% went and said yes, so here it is, as per your request. If you guys follow my channel and you are not new to this, you will know already my love for Makeup Revolution. I mean, I've been obsessed with them for over 5 years, but the company still wasn't popular as it is now and no one really knew what it is. And I've been loving it because it's cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, super affordable, and the quality every time with every new product just blows my mind. So I was really intrigued to try their masks. I have really high expectations, by the way, and I'll be super honest as I am with all of my review videos. So I got these 4 masks that we got. First one is the Charcoal Purifying mask. Then we got the Pink Clay Detoxifying mask. Then is a Warming Gel Moisturizing mask and the Hyaloronic Acid Overnight Hydrating mask. I want to try all of these masks in this video, but I'm not gonna do all today because it wouldn't just make sense. So I'm gonna do in the next few days, try different masks every day to see if it has any effect on my skin whatsoever. So today morning I woke up with these prints on my face because it's that part of the month, you know. So I think today is a perfect time to review this Charcoal Purifying mask because I need to purify my skin a little bit. So first of all, I really like this simple packaging. I like that it's not, you know, too much. It says clearly what it is and what does it do, so I think that's all the information that you need. But as I mentioned in all of my videos, the most important part is if the product actually works rather than the packaging itself. So I'm gonna check out first one, the charcoal mask, which is a purifying mask. So we say to apply 1 to 2 times a week and keep it for 10-15 minutes. I really like that this is a glass rather than a plastic. Thinking about the plastic pollution and all, that glass is so much easier to recycle than a plastic. Yeah, amazing. Love it so far. It has a smell. I mentioned in a lot of my videos that I am not a fan of a smell in my makeup or cosmetics because most of the time it's kinda off-putting, if you guys know what I mean, because sometimes it can smell a little plasticky or something like that, but this is not the case. It smells very refreshing. You know, like you would go to a spa and the smell in a spa that you get, that kinda essential oils and all, this smells like that. Okay, let's check out the next one is the Pink Clay Detoxifying mask. This has a smell too, but totally different smell from the charcoal one. This smells like a clay. If you ever smell the clay, that smells like a clay, but with a kind of freshness. I don't know what kind of essential oil is involved in here or anything. Okay, let's check out the hyaluronic acid one. So they say this is the overnight hydrating mask. So the color of this one is actually white. Charcoal was kind of gray. Pink clay was pink, and this one is just white. I wonder if it has a smell. I can't smell anything. Kinda like it. Okay, this is like a thick cream. So I think you're supposed to apply this one maybe just as a cream overnight because you're not gonna go with a big layer over your face because it just would go over your bedding. And last but not least, what I got in here is the warming gel. So this one apparently is supposed to be a moisturizing mask. It's good to moisturize your skin in general, especially if you have oily skin. I do moisturize my skin a lot, believe it or not. One day it has a smell. Oh my god, I would love my shower gel to smell like this. It's super refreshing. Those two smelled a bit like essential oils and a spa. This smells for me like a refreshing shower gel. I'm gonna start from the charcoal mask. I always like to apply a little bit of a mask on my neck as well. Okay, I think this should do. So I'm gonna keep it for 10 minutes and I'll get back to you. Mask is nearly dry. I noticed that it's drying very interesting. My skin is very oily. That means I have a big pores, so it kind of dries around. I don't know if it's trying to clean the pores and it's doing its job. Yeah, I don't know. It dries very funny around the pores, especially this part. But anyways, my face feels so tight I barely can speak, so I'm gonna go wash it off and come back to you. Back, guys. So I washed it off. I don't know if I mentioned in the beginning of the video, but I have really sensitive skin as well. So even if I would try to wash with a wet cloth my face, it would irritate my skin. So I just use the water, pure water, nothing else, not to rub my skin. And I mean, you guys, you can see for yourself, my skin, I think, looks amazing. Honestly, you guys, if you could touch my skin now, it kind of feels moisturized, although it wasn't a moisturizing mask. But I'm still gonna go and apply a little bit of the face cream just to keep my skin properly moisturized. So it says that it is a purifying mask. And remember in the beginning of the video I told you that I got in here a few friends? It's nearly gone. Like, if I rub my finger on, it's not anymore on the surface, you know, so pointy. You know what I mean? I'm so bad in explaining. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. But what I want to say, the surface of my skin feels smooth. I mean, wow. In such a short period of time, this actually cleaned my skin in just 10 minutes. So imagine if I'm gonna actually use this regularly, like twice a week, twice a week. Wow, okay, impressed. The Charcoal Purifying Mask, thumbs up already. So I'm gonna have my day and then I'm gonna come back to use in the evening, just before sleep, to try this Hyaloronic Acid Overnight Hydrating Mask. See ya! And I'm back. Right, you guys, I had a long day. I feel pretty tired. I've been filming today and all and did, yeah, many things. So I feel a little bit exhausted. I'm so ready for a bed, you don't even know. So I'm just gonna quickly remove my makeup. Makeup is off. Let's test this Hyaluronic Acid Overnight Mask. For this, I'm gonna use a finger because this one, I think, is more like a cream. All it says in here is directions: apply 1 to 2 times a week overnight, avoid eye area, cleans any residue in the morning. So I guess you just apply this one as a face cream, because if I would apply more, how would I sleep? It would just be all over my bedding. I like to put my face creams and my masks on the neck area as well. That's why I'm dragging on the neck a little bit. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave this on, go to bed, and I shall see you in the morning. So far, my skin feels super nice. Honestly, it's just, yeah, so nice and moisturized, but I just applied it and I applied quite a lot, so that's understandable why it feels so nice. So yeah, I'm going to my bed and I shall see you in the morning and we'll see the result if my skin feels still super nice and smooth and soft and hydrated or not, and if I had any breakouts. Hopefully not. So yeah, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. I literally just woke up a few minutes ago, so I'm really sorry if I'm looking a bit puffed or swollen or anything. I do apologize about that. But yeah, I literally just woke up and if my voice is a bit low. I just washed my face, and before washing, my skin felt super moisturized. Like, yeah, I can't even explain. It felt amazing. So when I went to wash my face, it felt like it was still loads of product on. I haven't applied any moisturizer yet because I wanted to see how my skin feels after, you know, if it's dry or super moisturized. So during the night and in the morning when I woke up, it felt moisturized, but now I kind of want a moisturizer. I mean, my skin doesn't feel dry, but I would prefer to apply the moisturizer on. It feels actually amazing. Yeah, I can't complain. It feels very nice and smooth, and this so far works. So I'm gonna go get on with my day and later I'll come back to you to test out another mask. So see you soon. Alright, you guys, let's test it out, another mask. So far I tried the Charcoal Purifying Mask. It worked wonders. I mean, look at these blemishes in here. Nearly disappeared. Just amazing. This Hyaluronic Acid Overnight Hydrating Mask is definitely hydrating. By the way, I haven't applied any moisturizer yet. I said I'm gonna do that, but I haven't, and my skin feels still moisturized. So this definitely works, and I woke up like, what's the time? 4 hours ago or so. So I think now, because my face feels moisturized, so maybe let's not go with the moisturizing one. Let's go with the Pink Clay Detoxifying Mask. Maybe it will clean even more of the breakouts and blemishes and all. So yeah, let's do this. This feels amazing so far. on my skin, and it smells so nice. If only I could transfer a smell through the camera lens. Once again, I'm gonna apply some on my neck, because the neck skin is just as sensitive and gentle as the face skin, and we usually forget neck. I mean, in general, you should apply your moisturizers, your SPF and everything else on the neck as well. So on the packaging it says to leave it on for 10-15 minutes and then wash it off. So this is what we're gonna do. 10 minutes has passed. I barely can speak because the mask dried, so I barely can open my mouth. Once again, if you guys can see, the mask dried the same as this charcoal one. It dried around my pores kinda, so my pores looks like super pronounced. So I'm gonna go wash it off and come back to you to see if I can tell any difference or anything yet. So I washed my face. I haven't applied any face cream on. My skin feels amazing. It doesn't feel super moisturized though, as it felt after the hyaluronic acid one. But this pink lay, it says that it's detoxifying mask. I washed my face and I was patting on with a towel to dry, and I noticed that because I have really big pores, like my skin is really oily. So if you have oily skin, that's normal that your pores are big. So even in here, like my pores are cleaning off. This is so bizarre. I think I'm gonna zoom in the camera, so if you're sensitive, it might be a bit gross. So I zoom in my camera, so I hope you guys are able to see, but like this part especially. So if I would just go like this with my nail, it just kind of cleans off without doing anything. The same with my nose. It doesn't say that it does in here. It just says detoxifying mask, but you guys, it cleans off the blackheads. Drags out all the dirtiness out of the skin. Maybe that's why it's called detoxifying, because it kind of sucks out all the dirt out of the skin. So far, humongous thumbs up from me for these masks, the ones that I tried. These are really good. Alright, so I'm gonna get on with my day and then I'm gonna get back to you tomorrow to try this warming gel moisturizing mask. And I'm back, guys. Got one more mask to test out. It is a warming gel moisturizing mask. So this one once again says apply 1-2 times a week, avoid eye area, allowed to work for 10-15 minutes, the same as all of these. But then it says warming sensation is to be expected. Rhymes well. Alright, let's see what we got. Look how sticky. Barely warming sensation should appear. Oh, okay, I know what they mean when they said warming sensation. Oh my god, my eyes are watering. Oh my goodness, can you see, guys? My eyes are literally watering. I feel like my cheeks are on fire now. Okay, I'll try not to go too close to the eyes, and this is what's happening. So this one's supposed to moisturize my skin a lot. Oh my god, my cheeks are literally on fire right now. I think that should do. I'm not gonna apply more. Can you see when my eyes started to water a bit? Because it feels on fire. I'm gonna keep it for 10 minutes and I'm gonna come back to you to tell how I feel with this on, and then I'll go to wash it off, so see you soon. 10 minutes passed already. It's supposed to be a warming gel, and it even warns on the packaging that warming sensation is to be expected. I can't feel anything. The only thing I felt when I was applying on my cheeks in this area, I felt proper heat, and then like, you see in my eyes started watering. But now I don't feel anything whatsoever. No warming sensation, no heat or anything. I'm gonna go quickly wash it off and gonna get back to you to see how my skin feels. If it feels super moisturized, and it's supposed to be a moisturizing mask. Just washed off my face, haven't applied any moisturizer or anything. Does my skin feel more moisturized? I don't know, cause usually if I wash my face just with the water, my skin straight away like immediately feels like super dry, so I need to straight away put the moisturizer on, but it doesn't feel that way, so I guess it feels moisturized. Although if I do this, it doesn't feel like, oh my god, my skin is super moisturized. If you know what I mean, I think that's the easiest way to explain. Like, I don't feel that it's so moisturized, but then my skin is not screaming that it's super dry and like put some cream on me. So I think it kind of worked. And after trying this for what, like 4 days now, all these different masks, I think in general to see the proper result, you know, I would need to use it for like a month or so, one by one, to see how it works. From all of these masks, I prefer the charcoal one and a pink clay one. First of all, charcoal one, like these breakouts that I had in here, it kind of straight away cleaned off, and all I had was just a blemishes. I still have like a little redness, but not as big, but there's no more breakouts going on, you know. And then a pink clay mask was, oh my god, so amazing, because kind of cleaned off my blackheads, like my pores, it just opened up. It says it's detoxifying, so I guess it kind of detoxified my skin, so my skin started cleaning off. So definitely will be using these two. I am super impressed how fast it worked. One use only, and I've seen such a big result. The hyaluronic acid overnight mask, yes, it works, because my skin felt super moisturized in the morning, and overnight it's just like a super thick cream basically. So that's why my skin in the morning felt like moisturized. And then this warming gel, it wasn't that warming. It felt warming only when I applied it on, as you see, because my eyes even started watering. But I don't see like a super massive effect, and my skin is not dry. So I think if you have a dry skin, then obviously go for this mask. But because I have super oily skin, I don't really feel like I need this one that much. Although I do moisturize a lot, trust me. If you have oily skin, dry skin, any skin, always moisturize, you guys. I was the least impressed by this warming gel mask, but nevertheless it's still a great product. So I'll be definitely using these. Definitely recommend for you to try it out as well. If you tried these out already and you're loving it or you're hating it for some reason, leave a comment down below and let me know how it worked for you. I would really love to know that. And if you found this review helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly guys, I would really appreciate if you would hit that button, and I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have a great day guys. Ciao for now.